for the bone inside, doctor.
If it gets into your bloodstream, it'll travel to your heart. Yes, seriously, honey.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! No, it's not a good morning to me. Hindi good morning. Kasi kumakain ako guys ng 9 o'clock something. Kumakain ako ng bangus, yung niluto ko kahapon. Kahapon ba yun? Yung binibake ko. Nakaswalo ako yung, di ba may maitim? May bone siya na matitigas, pero puti, clear, di ba? Naswalo ko siya guys. And then, kain pa rin ako ng kain. Parang wala lang. Sus, pagkatapos ko sabi ko, every time na gano'n ako, yung nandito sa pinaka, sa tonsil, di ba? Sa gilid ng tonsil, sakit guys, nakatusok pala. Every time na gumagalaw yung bibig ko, sakit. Sabi ko, pumunta ako sa bathroom, ginanon ko ng kamay, hinawakan ko, masakit guys, hawakan mo, parang sobrang sakit na, so masakit yung ko, lalamunan ko. So, ginaganon ko, sabi ko, uy, maano ko talaga, mafe-feel ko, pero ginaganon ko, in-script, hindi talaga nakuha, guys. So, nagdudugo na siya, guys, dahil ginaganon ko palagi, and then hindi nakukuha. So, ngayon, si Tami, naligo siya, and then pagbaba niya, tinawag ko siya agad, sabi ko, punta ka dito para titignan mo yung may tinik sa ko, lalamunan ko, masakit, nagdudugo na, and then, naghanap siya ng mga puller, mga mga ito yung ginamit niya, kinuha niya kasi hindi nakayanan ng maliit na flashlight kasi hindi niya makita. And then sabi ko, sige, para makita mo, inano ko talaga, pinost ko yung tangko, and hindi ko ginalaw-galaw. Sabi niya, may nakita ako. So naghanap siya ng puller na malaki. So malayo siya guys, and then sabi niya, hanap siya ng yung mataas na so naghanap siya ng mataas na. So nakahanap siya. So masakit guys yung pag-script niya para matanggal. So guys, ang taas pala ng bones guys. So nakuha niya guys. Tinignan ko yung ko sa live ako. Hinahanap ko kasi may nafe-feel ako na lumabas. Sus guys, ang buto. Sabi pa niya, kaya nga hindi kami kumakain ng mga isda na. Tuloy siya, nag-prayer tuloy si Tami. Sabi, kaya hindi kami kumakain ng mga isda na may mga buto-buto. So ikaw kapag kumakain ka ng isda, huwag mo papakainin yung mga alaga ha. Napati yung mga alaga. At saka kumain ako ng saging baka, mawala. Look. Hindi nawala kasi pala nakatusok na pala doon.
Because I got rivets that I need something, and I want a screw top, something with a screw top.
Okay, then get it. Put it in your. Oh, be careful with my gulay or vegetables over there. God damn me.
I'm trying to open a thing for you. The eggplant should be outside like a normal plant.
It's cold. They won't survive, Tommy. Can you drive?
Now I'm driving too? Oh, okay.
Okay, I'll drive, and then you. Oh my God. Look at guys, he is like this. Because I'm a driver.
Chauffeur, we call it chauffeur.
We'll call it driver.
Go get around the other side, chauffeur.
Number 2 now. And the wind is crazy. And my bra is going down, hon. Huh?
Yeah, the problem. Can't keep your bra on. A little slutty to me, but what do I say?
Han is slutty. Han, seriously.
I can't keep your bra on.
Because you keep pulling it like... Han, guys, look. Because alam niya talaga, he always pull it to get inside. Yun siya, guys. It's very naughty for me. But he's very behaved. But he is like naughty boy. Dude, I love you, naughty boy. Oh, can I do that, honey?
I got it already.
Say good morning, love, oy.
Morning, love, oy.
Your boobies. And can you open the garage before you turn this on?
Oh, that's good.
So, ang gagawin po namin ngayon is oil change. Mix the filter, I think doesn't need really. I don't know.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Punta na siya doon. Magtanong lang siya guys kung pwede ba. Itong ano din, itong araw, ganun, sobrang sakit sa mata. Sakit sa mata dahil hindi tayo lumabas para tayong vampira. Lalabas lang tayo. Hindi tayo palaging lumalabas pag araw. So, para tayong And
No, yeah, they can do it if I want to leave the car here for the day.
no.
Yeah, no. I said, what about inspection? What's your appointment? Oh, first one I got available Sunday at 11.
No, let's go
So, well, I'm
today.
going to work Sunday.
Yeah.
So, alright.
Dito na kami, so
to everyone to help and
my goodness.
scale up the economy. So
What did you say?
No more fish for you. No
Why?
more. You don't know how to eat properly.
Guys, Tommy said, oh, we have to go to the doctor now. You have to go to the doctor.
Well, because I couldn't see it. I had to get a really bright flashlight, even just to see it. Because it was so far in.
Doctor? Ipa-doctor daw ako? Seriously, honey? For the bone inside, doctor.
If it gets into your bloodstream, it'll travel to your heart. Yes, seriously, honey. Do you understand the same reason why they tell you should wear gloves when you're using Brillo?
What
Because you
Brillo?
get a little piece of that metal
Oh,
in
why
you.
you don't tell me?
And
I
it could travel.
always
It could travel.
Why you don't tell me?
If it gets into your vein, it'll travel to your heart.
Why you
and then
don't tell me that?
Hon, that's everybody
I always
knows that.
use SOS.
I never use. Yeah, so do I, and I never use gloves. But they always tell you should. That's why if you feel that pinch, you need to get it out. You can't just sit there and ignore it. Only here's the thing: the bone was this long,
It was,
and there was only this much sticking out of skin. The rest was already in.
yeah, it was scary,
It
guys.
would go further in.
It was scary. I don't know. I eat
It
that.
wasn't like it was just poking you, and you could swish it out of your mouth. It wasn't gonna come out that way.
I think it went in because I kept doing it like, when are you gonna come out? When are you gonna come out? It's like I keep pushing it, I pulling it.
Even a tweezer wasn't long enough to get it. It was a metal with a little hole on the end, and I had to stick the hole over the thing.
Bastos naman
And then
ito.
pull it, and it wouldn't pull because it was so far in the skin. So I had to twist the metal like this, twist it,
Yeah.
so put a bend in it, and then slightly pull it out, slow until it came out.
Yeah.
And then it was like.
But you can barely see it, right?
I couldn't see with the regular flashlight. That regular flashlight is strong.
It feels so good when it's gone out, guys. When it's out, it feels so good. Like, oh my god, it's so different when you have something in your throat or just nothing, and then we ignore it, right, honey? Like we ignore the feeling of nice that there's nothing blocking in there and poking inside your skin, flesh. Naghihintay pa rin kami, guys, kasi busy sila dito. I think maraming tao dito, oh. Look, kino-close. Meron pa 3. So, tapos na yung oil change, guys. And then, Tommy's favorite place to go is the Taco Bell.
Maybe I'll say that. Stupid.
Just do the regular burrito.
Well, yeah, you want to look at what they got?
No,
See,
just
the
do whatever
combos?
you want. There's no bones in it, no?
What else? Yeah, you want that?
Just
You want that? The Crunchwrap Supremes?
No, I don't want it. Where are we going? I'll go over there, in that house. Ayaw natin ilagay
This is a
siya.
Crunch Wrap.
Huh?
One that was good.
Oh, PCD, eh?
The one's supposed to be chicken, one's supposed to be steak.
Steak?
This is steak, I think.
How do you know?
'Cause it looks,
Why this thing is... Halahan, look.
it looks like steak.
It's a messy food. Huh?
Hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Naghanap kami ng ano, guys, yung mga ganito sa bathroom kasi kapag naliligo kasi si Tommy, mga ganun, oh. Naliligo kasi siya, nag-i-steam. And then, ano yan, nasisira yung wall. What number?
130.
130, and how much is that?
The one we have now is 100. It's not doing the job.
What is the higher than 100?
They got one online that's 280, but it's just a motor.
You change light, guys.
This one too.
What is that like that? You're both 110. Okay. 130. It's right here, guys. 130. I don't know. Ito yung presyo niya. 160. Airflow power. 130. Do you really need it, Han? Because, oh my god, that second floor will be ruined.
I want something stronger.
You want stronger than that? Andito na kami sa Big Lots na naman tayo. Gusto ko talaga. Gusto ko yan. Doon si Tami ay. Ito siya. Ito. Ito yung gusto ko. Wala mong presyo. Ay, $5. Tumitingin ako dito, guys. Ang daming mga, ano, fake flowers ba? Gusto ko to. Huh? Oh, that's cute.
He likes too. The little light up here.
Yeah, that's cute. I like this. Why the light is on? So, bumili ako nito, guys. I cannot find for the dining area for to hold the wall like that over there. I can't find it. Like the one like that?
Like you metal things?
Yeah. So, ito. Hala! Han! I only get... And there's 2 windows. It's only... Akala ko talaga ang buhay na ito. Nako talaga. At saka ito pa namang color na to. Wala masyadong ano. Ito lang yung color na to, nag-iisang color. Kung babalik ako doon, hindi rin mag-ano kasi hindi magkapari-pariha. So, iba-iba color tayo nito. Okay, maganda man siya pag may ganun ba, no? Kung ganun ba. Kaysa dire-diretso lang siya. Yeah? Maghanap tayo para dito sa isa. Hindi pa ako makapag-paint. Bumili kami ng paint ni Tami. Si Tami is, matandang Tami is very hard-head. It's like, walang pasensya. Kami na lang yung dalawa na sa linya. Nagreklamo pat galit. Iniwan namin yung mga binili namin and then pumunta kami doon sa isang tindahan na mahal. Bumili ng paint. Instead of buying the $20 something, he want to buy the $40. 22. So, iniwan namin yung binili. Nagyaw-yaw ako, nagyaw-yaw po siya. Nagyaw-yaw-yawan kaming dalawa. Kasi ang tigas ng ulo, hindi makapaghintay. Sabi ko, ganun na talaga kapag tumanda. Sabi ko sa kanya, naglagot ko guys. Naglagot yun ko. Sabi ko, ganun na palag tumanda ha. Wala nang pasensya ha. Wala siyang alam sa mga pinagsasabi ko. Look at the camera. Oh, magyaw-yaw na ron guys kasi no patient. Sige na bumo. Hey darling. Darling, you can love one, you can love two. It's a very two. You can do. Honey, let go. Let go your love. Don't hold it. You might fart. Don't hold your love. You might fart.
Try that.
Why?
If you let me half open, it's going to just rot really quick.
Na lang. Busy tayo guys. Nagluluto ako guys. Binibake. Nilagay ko sa oven yung sausage para mag-brown konti. And then, yun na yung dinner natin. Lutuin ko lang siya with garlic. Garlic, onion, and yun. At saka yung tawag nun. Atsal. So, ikakat natin siya ng yung parang slide, parang slanting. Andito na yung guys. Nilagay ko na si sausage. Ayan. Sausage. Yan. And, i-ano natin mamaya. I-mix natin the whole time. Ito na yung potato, guys. Nilagyan ko siya ng oil, paminta, asin, garlic and onion powder, at saka yung garlic, totoong garlic, fresh garlic. And then, ito na yung sausage with pepper. Yun, nilagyan ko lang siya ng mga powder, like garlic and onion powder. Guys, so aalis kami, guys, kasi nag-alala itong si Mr. Shortage, may shortage yung gas. Yung sa Florida, nag-already panic na to yung mga tao dito. So, hindi natin alam, baka mag-ano din dito, mag-shortage, hindi natin alam, diba? So, I'll go back up. I'll go back up to the garage. So, may shortage kasi, natakot si Tami. So, i-ano namin yung gas, gas can. Kasi wala na talaga, guys, kung mag-cut kami ng loan, walang gas, ganun. And then, you know, alam nyo na, nagpanic yung mga tao sa Florida. I mean, I think, yung some of the people over there nagpapanik. So, let's say, back up tayo dahan-dahan, ha? Dahan-dahan tayo back up, guys, kasi may camera. Okay. Okay. Nandun si Tami, oh. So, ano talaga, kasi, alam nyo na, God bless you. God bless you. Yung bra ko, na jud ni magtago ta kay ang silingan nakakita. Magkulikot-kulikot tayo sa bra. Kaloka yung ano dyan ba na namamatay talaga siya, eh. I don't know kung ilang gas yung anuhin ni Mister. Kailangang bilhin. Kailangang, I think lahat ng container, I think empty. Hello, yung laki ba? Ang laking ibon. Look. May nagtatanong pala sa inyo, guys, kung anong klaseng kahoy yan. Yung yellow green. Hindi ko alam kung anong yan. Yung may nag-message sa akin sa Facebook, kung nagtatanong kung anong klaseng kahoy. Hindi ko yan alam. At saka yung purple na yan, hindi ko rin alam. Ang alam ko lang is yung malapit sa bahay yung dalawa. Red maple, and then yung isa is Japanese maple. 4, 5 container, malalaki. Over 100 bucks. Over 100 bucks yung naggasto. May maximum pala yung magkuha ka ng gas. May limit pala 100 bucks. And then kasi nilagyan namin yung sasakyan. Ngayon nilagyan ulit ni Tami, nagbayad ulit siya. Yun, 5 container ang bigat. Yung sasakyan ko, gumaganon-ganon. Yung sasakyan ko, guys, amoy gas. So, inopen ko yung window. Dito yung nabasa talaga yung sasakyan. Kasi, yung pala, hindi pala siya inopen ko yung window para hindi yung amoy doon. Yung sasakyan ko, amoy gas. Nako, talagang buhay na to. Where's your dada? We just got in here and then dada left. Where's your dada, Rox? Where's your dada? It smells gas. Don't lick it. Don't lick it sa gas. Anyway, guys. So, nataranta ako kanina kasi nag-live ako. And then, yung cellphone ko, nagwa-warn sa akin na lobat. Then, I ignore it. So, ignore ko. Napatay talaga siya. And then, wala. Nataranta ako kasi hindi ko na alam. Nagla-live pa ako pero napatay yung cellphone. Iwan ko. So, yun. Okay, let's eat na, love. Kain na kami, guys. Nagluto ako ng potato. Pinabayaan ko. Buti na lang hindi nasunog kasi nag-live ako nga. Ako, unbox sa wedding gown. So, yun. Potato. Potato? It's not potato, hon. It's potato. Potato. Okay. Nag-allergy si Tami. Pagkatapos kong nag-live, hatching na siya. Na-allergy. My God, he can't stop. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end the vlog. And yun, wala masyadong ganap ngayong araw. Nagpapanik lang konti siyang Tami kasi gas is shortage. Even Tami's cousin, Andy, he's buying gas, so because he saw the news. But anyway, we're gonna end the vlog. Salamat guys sa panunood sa video. And also, thank you so much guys for watching the live. So yun, thank you so much. And thank you. We're gonna say good night. We're gonna say night. Good night guys. We will see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow live or video. Say bye-bye.
Bye guys.
Hindi makahinga kasi sa allergy. Can't breathe. So, anyway, good night. See you tomorrow.